What is up, guys? Today we're going to be installing new rotors and pads on my Mark 7 Golf R. So today is going to be really great. Going to be installing, like I said, new rotors, ECS slotted and dimpled rotors in the front, and then slotted in the rear, and then new EBC YellowStuff pads, as well as some new high temp fluid. So today should be fun. I've never done brakes before, so today should be fun, interesting, and I'm super excited to get the new brake setup on my car. Also, we will be installing new brakes on a Mark 7 GTI as well. So there'll be two people there, me and my other friend, both installing brakes today. So overall, today's gonna be a really fun day. It's some beautiful weather outside right now, so we're gonna enjoy it and install some new stuff. Before we get there, you know we have to stop at Wawa. That's a necessity. The day cannot start without Wawa. This sounds more like an advertisement now, but maybe it is. Sponsor me, Wawa. Do it. I know you want to. Come on. So as usual, I showed up a bit early, so we're gonna wait here a little bit till Austin gets here, and then we'll get the car up on jacks and go from there. So just got the car inside the garage, and we're gonna start getting the car up on jacks, get things going. We're gonna probably do the front brakes first, and then move our way into the back, and then eventually do the fluids. So got everything all set up here, and yeah, should be a good time.
It's Jason Rich, baby. Jason?
So we got the car up on jacks. I'm gonna take the wheels off, and Scott just got here. You're doing front brakes, front rotors, front and rear, right?
Yep, all set.
Cool.
Back in, and that's 1 out of 4 done. So
How long did that take us?
Hour and a half.
Yeah, that's good.
We're taking our time.
Yeah.
Mops and me? All right.
So almost got the front brakes done. Now we're gonna move to the back, and yeah, it's going well. So the fronts are done, and now we have to start the rears. So as you see, fronts are all done, looking good. But now we have to do the rears, as you can see. So we'll have to get the OBD11 out to turn off the electric parking brake, and then we can finally get started on these, and then we can start flushing the system. So yeah. You almost done on the rears here?
Big old to sag you. Yeah, I'm good. Putting the wheel back.
Oh my goodness. Finally was able to get the rear brake off. It was giving us a hard time. Long story short, the back brakes took a bit longer to do, so got the wheels clean. About to re-engage the parking brake with the OBD11, and then we should be on our way. That took way much longer than you thought, didn't it?
Yes, absolutely.
Definitely not how I expected the day to go. It does look good on jacks though. Basic settings. Hopefully it works.
Ready?
Yep. That's the ticket. Wait.
It did that last time.
Okay.
Should be good.
All right, cool. Fantastic. So we just got done with the test run of the brakes. Everything seems to be working fine. So now it's just the start of the bedding procedure. About 200 miles or so. And then once we reach 200 miles, then we can do a few runs of 60 to 10 miles an hour continuously in a row to heat the brakes up and that kind of stuff. So when I eventually do that, I'll probably do a review of the brakes if you guys want, and yeah, we can go from there. But I really like the way they look. They look pretty good. And yeah, they're a bit of a challenge today, but I don't know, we got through it, so yep.